I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and keeping safe. In today's video, I'm going to share this olive green smoky eye look. All the products which I have used for this look will be mentioned in the description box. And if you are new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Now without any further delay, let's get started. I always start by prepping my eyelids and I'm using Swiss Beauty Concealer in the shade 02 Sand Sable, and with Pro Art PF01 brush, I'm going to first clean underneath my eyebrow and apply the concealer all over my eyelid as a base. You can even use an eye primer for this step, but I prefer concealer because it hides discoloration on your eyelids. I'm also going to blend the concealer with a damp beauty sponge, and to set the concealer in place, I'm using the Maybelline Loose Powder in the shade Light Medium. Next, I'm using a sticky tape to have the sharp edges. Today, I'm using the Revolution Sofix eyeshadow palette. First, I'm taking this brown shade and using Pro Art PF13 brush and start blending it into my crease. I'm going to blend it back and forth until it looks nice and blended. Next, I am taking a black eyeshadow from the same palette, and with a small blending brush from London Pride Cosmetics, I am gonna apply on the outer V area and close to my lash line. The black eyeshadow from this palette is not so intense, so I am building the color until I am happy with the intensity. Then slowly I am also taking the black eyeshadow in my crease, but I am gonna stop till my mid crease. I am not taking it towards the inner part of my crease. As you can see in this video, I have just stopped right in the middle of my crease. Again, I am taking a blending brush and running through my crease so the both eyeshadows looks diffuse and nicely blended. Next, I am taking this beautiful olive green shimmer eyeshadow with a flat brush and start placing it on my eyelid. I am applying the eyeshadow from the inner corner to the mid eyelid until it meets the black eyeshadow on the outer V. And with the same brush, I am blending the edges of these colors so there are no harsh lines visible. Next, I am taking this light pink shimmer shade to highlight the inner corners and my brow bone. For eyeliner, I am using drugstore favorite gel eyeliner, that is from Maybelline. And to apply the product, I am using the Pro Art PE28 angle brush. I am creating a nice winged eyeliner today, and I created a thick wing so it adds up to the smokiness to this eye makeup. I'm also applying the same gel eyeliner on the lower waterline as my kajal. Next, I'm smoking out my lower lash line with a black eyeshadow, and to make it more interesting, I applied the green shimmer eyeshadow on the lower inner corner as well. For mascara today, I will be using this Essence Volume Stylish Mascara on my upper as well as on my lower lashes. And I'm also going to add fake lashes by Europe Girl Cosmetics. And that completes today's eye look. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial, and if you do, let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.